This your boy Sack coming to you with today's stock pick. Remember, this channel is all about no face, just facts in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. Today we're talking about Energous Corporation, ticker symbol WATT. And this stock has absolutely exploded onto traders' watch list this year. If you've been scanning momentum plays lately, then you've probably seen Watt making massive moves while the rest of the market struggles to keep up. According to the charts, this stock is up more than 615% year to date. And whenever you see a move like that, investors immediately start asking one question. Is this the next breakout monster, or is this rally running out of energy? Let's break it down. For those unfamiliar with the company, Energous focuses on wireless power technology. Their business revolves around developing systems capable of charging devices wirelessly at a distance without traditional charging cables. That sounds futuristic, and honestly, that futuristic angle is a huge reason investors are paying attention right now. Whenever the market hears words like wireless technology, next generation infrastructure, AI integration, or smart devices, speculative money starts flowing fast. And right now, Watt is benefiting from exactly that kind of hype and momentum. Now, looking at the chart, the first thing that stands out is how aggressive this move has been. The stock rallied from under $4 to nearly $37 at its recent peak before pulling back into the high 20s. That's a massive move in a very short amount of time. And here's the truth. Stocks that move this quickly attract two different types of people. Long-term believers who think the company is finally turning a corner, and short-term momentum traders trying to ride the wave higher before the next pullback hits. Technically speaking, the stock still remains in a bullish structure overall. We continue seeing higher highs and higher lows on the larger time frame, which is one of the strongest indicators of an uptrend. Even after pullbacks, buyers are stepping in and preventing the stock from completely collapsing. But that doesn't mean there's no risk. One thing I noticed immediately on the chart is the extreme volatility. Huge green candles followed by sharp red pullbacks tell us this stock is not stable right now. This is a momentum-driven play, and momentum stocks can become dangerous if investors start chasing emotionally. The Bollinger Bands also tell an important story here. During the strongest part of the rally, the stock repeatedly pushed above the upper Bollinger Band, which signals very strong momentum, but also suggests the stock became overheated in the short term. Now let's talk RSI. The Relative Strength Index currently sits around the upper 50s based on the screenshot. That's actually important because it shows the stock cooled off significantly after earlier overbought conditions. Earlier in the rally, RSI pushed toward extreme territory, but now momentum has stabilized somewhat. That could mean two things. Either the stock is consolidating before another leg higher, or buyers are slowly losing strength after the explosive run. MACD is also showing signs of slowing momentum. The MACD lines appear to be flattening and converging, which usually signals momentum cooling down compared to earlier in the rally. That doesn't automatically mean the stock is bearish, but it does mean traders should stay cautious and avoid blindly chasing huge candles. Now let's identify the key levels. The $36 to $37 range clearly acts as major resistance, since that's where the stock recently peaked. Bulls need a breakout above that area with strong volume to continue the rally. On the downside, support appears to sit around the $24 to $26 range. If the stock starts breaking below that zone with heavy selling pressure, things could get ugly very fast. And that brings me to the biggest lesson with Watt. Risk management matters. A lot of traders see a stock up 600% and instantly feel fear of missing out. That emotional reaction causes people to enter trades at the worst possible moments. Momentum stocks can make people rich quickly, but they can also destroy accounts just as fast if risk isn't controlled. Now, the bullish argument for Watt is clear. Strong momentum, increasing retail attention, futuristic technology, and speculative buying pressure continue pushing this stock into conversations across social media and trading communities. The bearish argument is also simple. The company still carries significant risk. Volatility remains extremely high, and some investors believe this rally is running more on speculation than fundamentals. So overall, Watt remains one of the hottest momentum stocks in the market right now. But this is absolutely not a stock for emotional investors. This is a stock that requires discipline, patience, and understanding of risk before entering any position. Like, subscribe, and comment some stocks you want to hear about as we continue our journey toward 10,000 subscribers.